Today's drawing video is a holiday or Christmas stocking. Get your template in the description below to follow along with me, get your art supplies, and let's draw color and learn fun facts. So we're going to start at 1 and do a gentle curve all the way to 15. Now, for about 2 inches between 1 and 15, we're going to do the top part here of our stocking. And here we're going to add some presents. Now the rest of the drawing is really fun because you can make your presents however you want them to look, and then we're going to do the decorations of the stocking, and you can make that personal to you. Now with my thin pen, we're going to do details on the stocking. Now this was a lot of fun because I wanted snowflakes on my stockings. So I went online and did some research, and I found 4 pictures of snowflakes that I really loved. So those are the ones that I used to make my stocking design. But remember, this is your picture, so you can design it however you like. Now I've got my art supplies all picked out and I'm ready to color. Now there's no known record of the origin of the Christmas stocking, but there are popular stories out there that attempt to explain the history of this Christmas tradition. One particular story has many variations, but the idea is St. Nicholas was staying with a poor family and he heard that the man, a father, wasn't able to pay marriage dowries for his 3 daughters and was worried about their futures. St. Nicholas wanted to help, so what he did is after dark when he left the house, he threw 3 bags of gold through an open window into stockings that were hung over the fireplace to dry. This eventually led to the custom of children hanging stockings eagerly awaiting gifts from St. Nicholas, or as we know him today, Santa Claus. Remember, because this is your picture, you can pick any colors that you want. You don't have to follow along the same color scheme that I'm doing. So go ahead, have fun, experiment with your own colors on your stocking and your presents. Probably aware, another tradition is to write your name at the top of the stocking so everybody in the house knows whose stockings is whose. So when you're done coloring your drawing, you can customize this drawing to you and write your own personal message, your name, or the name of someone you love. Happy holidays, everyone!